Advances in society are drastically impacting most of our communities. Housing, a source of pride for most, is becoming increasingly difficult to obtain by many. As the pace of inflation continues to exceed diminishing wage growth, safe and secure housing continues to remain just beyond the reach of countless members of our communities. Innovative solutions that increase the rate of home ownership, achieve affordable rentals, and meeting the requirements of those with special needs is essential. World's Greatest Communities Incorporated consist of people with a common purpose of delivering resources for helping our neighborhoods and communities to enjoy steady progress. We invite you to help us achieve our mutual goals of becoming better today, tomorrow, together. Contact us to learn more.